Hey everybody, just wanted to give a quick update. Here's the McMead. It is working hard, nice slow, steady bubbles. So I think we're good to go. I'm gonna move over to the banana. We have no bananas today. Here's the banana. It is also slowly bubbling away. You can see some gunk got up into the airlock. As I said before, anytime you're adding fruit to something, it causes a layer to develop, and the top dries out. And what happens is that creates a seal over the mead, and as it's still doing its thing, it's slowly building pressure, building pressure, building pressure, and when it finally pops out, when it finds a weak spot, it goes really crazy. I kept it from going too crazy because I was taking this and giving it a good shake and a stir to mix that back up, keep the top wet, and to keep it from doing that. So I only got a little bit. With as much banana as I put in this, I have a feeling it would have just really gone crazy, and I'd have had a mess everywhere. But you can see it's also bubbling nicely, just nice slow bubbles. And then last but not least, while you guys weren't watching, I do apologize, but I went ahead and made a Pyment. I've got about 3 pounds of grapes in here, and they're just seedless red grapes that you would get at the store. Again, friends of mine had leftovers and gave them to me to make something with, and you can see it's doing a nice slow bubble as well. So just wanted to give a quick show of what's going on. One last thing I want to show. I am about to start a capsicum. There's 3 jalapenos that have been fire roasted, 3 more that are regular plain Jane, and oh my gosh, I just got this in today. From Amazon. Wait for it. Ghost chilies. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make a capsicum, but I'm gonna kick it up a notch, and I'm gonna put probably 2 of these pods in a 1 gallon with those guys, and I'll be making that video next. And you guys can play along at home if you'd like. But yeah, this is gonna be some serious hot stuff. I got a friend of mine who really likes hot stuff, so we're gonna see how he likes this, and if he likes this batch, I'm going to kick it up even further. I've got plans for a recipe to make some serious hot mead. So I'll check you guys later. Again, like and subscribe. Somewhere down there. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.